Hello everyone, this is JP Pirtle with JP Pirtle Real Estate. The good Lord gave us a great day today and we're in a great house out in North Bullitt. We just bought this house. Please stay on this video because I have a good message for everybody. Whether you're a real estate investor, a buyer, a seller, this will be a good video for you. But we bought this house. I absolutely love this house. As you saw walking up, it's beautiful, it's stately, it has a lot of potential. It's right next to North Bullitt High School. So these people contacted us and we gave them all their options, but they did not want to put the house on the market. That was their choice. They wanted to sell it as is. So we bought this house as is. We closed whenever they wanted. They were able to avoid showings, open houses, no haggling, no home inspectors, no repairs. It was a win-win for everybody, and these sellers were fantastic people. They spent a lot of great years here. Hopefully we're going to find somebody that's going to spend a lot more years here. Check this house out. I absolutely love it. Come on in. We just bought it, so it needs some work, but that's how we do it. Formal living room, formal dining room, beautiful kitchen, new granite countertops. They got this beautiful craft room or den back here. Adds a lot of square footage. They have the nice LVP flooring. Then you walk into another very nice den with a fireplace. It's awesome. Full back here. 1 bedroom. 2 bedroom. 3 bedroom. Yes, it has whole primary bathroom. It's been remodeled, beautiful tile in there. So this house is nice. It just needs a little TLC. We don't have time to do the basement, but basement needs a little bit of work. I think we're gonna go ahead and do that work. But let's check out this backyard. Here's my favorite thing about this house. Beautiful porch. It has the Trek decking which will last forever. But look out, this is Bullitt County High School. All my nephews and nieces went to school out here. It's an absolutely great community. You can watch the football game here every Friday night, watch them practice as well. This is going to be a great house for somebody. If you're interested in this house, whether you're an end buyer, give us a call. We're going to probably be selling this. Or if you're a real estate investor, we come across a lot of great deals in doing our business, and we're always looking for partners to partner with and get you real estate investors started in the business. Whether you're a beginner or a veteran investor, you can click the link below or give us a call and you can become one of our partner investors. But anyway, whether you're buying or selling, if you're selling your property, we're going to give you all your best options, and we do give a guaranteed offer if you want one. And when we do the guaranteed offer, again, we stated it earlier, there's no showings, there's no haggling, there's no home inspectors, there's no repairs, and close when you want. We let you close whenever you want. You control the closing. A lot of people love that, and you get to take what you want and leave the rest. A lot of people love that too. Take what you want, leave the rest. We make it easy. I say this very humbly. If you don't contact JP Pirtle Real Estate, we both lose. If you're interested in anything I've said, please click the link below, and we would love to help you with all your real estate needs. Thanks for all your business. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful day, and I appreciate all of you. See you soon. Happy Derby, JP Pirtle.